Local news for Tuesday the 4th of July. Researchers at the University of Otago, Wellington are seeking 20 different men from ethnic backgrounds from Wairarapa and Wellington for a study to find out how well people of different body shapes and different ethnicities respond to a weight loss diet. The researchers say the study could have major implications for how New Zealand doctors manage pre-diabetes and diabetes in people from different ethnic backgrounds. The researchers are asking for men aged between 18 and 65 from different ethnic groups such as New Zealand Māori, European, Pacific and South Asian. Craigie Range have had their 3 prestigious wines named in the Fine Wines of New Zealand, a selection of the country's highest calibre wines. Craigie Range General Manager Aaron Drummond is proud to see the top-of-the-range wines feature amongst a selection of the most respected wines in the country. He says our prestigious collection wines are made up from very top parcels from our Hawke's Bay and Tamuna Martinborough vineyards. We are humbled to receive this recognition by Fine Wines of New Zealand for the second year across all 3 of the wines. A total of 60 wines were selected in the 2017 lineup, an increase from 47 in 2016. And in sport and football, Wairarapa United scored a convincing 5-2 victory over Wellington United, shocking the visitors of the weekend. The home side were up 3-0 after just 21 minutes. In local league, it's Douglas Villa Skulls leading the way, thus far undefeated in Division 1, while Masterton Athletics sit in second. And in hockey, the Dalefield men have again given their opposition a lesson, beating Karori 7-1 at the weekend, while the women did the same against Karori as well, winning 5-0.